welcome to my channel. I'm Natalie from Natalie Colwood Mixed Media. Today we're gonna start my glue book. I made a video last week, make sure to go watch it, where I harvest 3 magazines to start this glue book. I'm gonna get into it right now. Stay tuned. Okay, here it is, 5.5 by 8.5. What I'm first gonna do is I'm gonna cut out a sleeve here, pocket, so I can stick some of them that I like in here, and then I don't have to go look for them all the time, and I can draw from them and glue in here. So it's a continuous process. So I'm gonna do that and see you, and after that, and we'll start gluing. Okay, we do have a pocket here. I have to leave it some slack so it's not going to be too tight, so I can actually fit stuff in here. Okay, I have to think of a theme. This one I'm going to leave blank. I'm going to write on here probably something. So, and that's going to be a little problem. The trend is not a problem. Yeah. There, I think I wanted to do something with flowers. That's what I was talking about last week. So I'm going to find those flowers. There's some here. I might just take half of it because I still like that top part. Yeah, saw that. And a whole bunch of flowers on here. There's some flowers there. And this one, cactus. Yeah, these ones. So I'm going to cut these out and I'm cutting. I'll see you back. Okay, so I got cut some off. I really kind of like this one now. Didn't want to cut it out because it's so beautiful, but there's always more. I'm just so picky about, don't want to cut out the image. It's so beautiful. Get over it, there's more, right? So I kind of like these as backgrounds. So just going to start designing the page. See what I like, what I don't like. Should I cut this off? Then it's not so weird. Maybe. And of course, you don't need to go and buy a book. You can just use an old magazine or an old book or whatever you have, notebook you don't need anymore. And just use that. It'd be in the middle, so obvious. I think I'm gonna cut this green out and put it on the back. I just like this green for some reason. It's not gonna be a minimalistic book at all. Not my first one anyway. There. And I really want to keep this as a glue book. I don't want it to be a journal book with putting other mediums on here. It's just going to be strictly glued. That's it. Okay, that we're going to put on this side. person because, you know, it's April. Yeah. We'll start with simple. We're getting into the weird and fun things later. We'll get more comfortable with the book. I'm not gonna film all of them. Some of them I'm just gonna do on my own because sometimes it just feels easier. You're not under pressure and people are watching you. There. And then you go on top. Kind of like that. What do you think? Can you see? Okay, so I think I have to figure out that one. Now this one is a little trickier. Let's just go this way or that way. I'm going to keep one of these for another project, kind of like this. I like that. You know, you think you like something and then you don't. I think it stopped snowing. Who knows what's going to happen tonight. The weather's supposed to be better, so. What about that? Does that look okay? I think I need something else. Not just flowers. Something different. Birds or something. I think I have a piece of paper somewhere with birds on it. I think that's what it needs, is a bird. So I'm gonna stop the video for a second and find the bird. Be right back. So I'm breaking my own rules here. It's not just out of there. This guy's gonna go right here. Be cute. These go here. This goes here. I think I like that. Let's start gluing first. Here it is. I decided to put some more get rid of all this and put some green or dark or something on there. Where did I put the other piece I had? Okay, let's do this side before we all fall asleep here. stick these ones in the pocket. There. Oh, don't do that. If you enjoyed this little first ever glue book of mine, let me know in the comments. I really like it because it goes with the theme. It's spring and I really want to see these flowers again. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe, like, and share, and watch the next one where I'm going to do more. Probably more glue booking for now, and I'm just going to start on a new bigger project, but for now I'm just going to do some collaging, glue booking. Okay? Have a good day and see you in the next one.